If you want to do better at either your job, business, or career, then accounting is as essential to learn as graduating from your 12th grade. Whether you are a business owner, working professional, commerce student, or simply want to balance your income versus expenses, accounting is literally required everywhere, and that is why it is called the language and backbone of your business. So how does it help you? Broadly, accounting helps you manage and organize your financial data systematically. It helps you keep an organized eye on your income versus expenditure, profit or loss, and hence suggests you take further steps. Also helps you decide on your future investment based on the past experiences. Especially in the time of COVID, when cash flows are being restricted, it becomes imperative to understand the basic of it, to lead an account for life and hence a business. Now let us understand the very objective of accounting. So it helps you record business activity in the books of account that occur every single day. Maintaining accounting record assists you understand whether your business is running in profit or bearing loss. It also helps you depict the financial health of your business, helpful in attracting investors for your products or ideas. Accounting is also required to keeping various stakeholders such as management, leadership, employees, investors informed. It plays a key role in influencing departments, business decisions, and investments. It also takes care of your taxation and keeps you tax compliant always. So this is how accounting plays an important role in businesses of all scales.